Melanin is a molecule. And Dr. Sabi used to always tell me, you're always talking about melanin, but what you have to really look at is carbon. Carbon is the atom. It's like cosmic glue. You have other atoms or elements, but you basically have four major on the earth: oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon. You can put no more than four together: nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. You could put part hydrogen, 2 parts of oxygen together, you have water. You can put 2 parts hydrogen, 2 parts oxygen together, and you have hydrogen peroxide. You can do the same thing with nitrogen, but you can't put no more than 4 atoms together to create anything. Once you introduce carbon, once you introduce carbon, you create the millions and billions of molecules that exist. Carbon is the cosmic glue. It is the evidence of everything and all that exists. Because when you go outside, you look up into the heavens, what do you see? You see blackness. That's cosmic melanin. But the way in which it represents itself on the planet comes from the greenness in plants, and basically the melanin that is in human beings and animals too. And so melanin is a molecule that becomes very important as it relates to life. That is why you have the carbon-14, nitrogen-14 dating, because you can tell how old something is by the life of the carbon that's within that particular thing that you're looking at, the organism that you're looking at. So that carbon is the actual stuff of the cosmic universe. And if there is life outside, it's going to be black. So don't be bringing no Europeans down here as extraterrestrials, because they don't exist. When the spacemen come from outer space, they're going to be black or brown or melanated, because that's the stuff of the universe. Stars are known as nanodiamonds. Stars started off as dark matter being pushed in by dark energy, and is being pushed in, being pressured in. And when there is no more space inside of that teeny weeny nugget of blackness, it implodes. That becomes a star. Stars are crystallized blackness. When you're looking up in the heaven, blackness isn't in the stars. Stars came out of blackness. That's why people say erroneously that there's nothing faster than the speed of light. That's not true. Faster than the speed of light is the speed of darkness, because everywhere that speed travels, darkness is there before light got there. Make sense? Because it's right here. It's right in front of us to see. When you look up there and you see the stars, those stars are crystallized blackness. Just like when you come down to Earth, diamonds are crystallized blackness. The fossil fuels and things that are in the earth put under a lot of pressure, they crystallize into what we call diamonds. That's what humans are. That's why we are diamonds in the rough. We are forever put under pressure. This is why African Americans have to understand. And Africans of the diaspora, Africans on the continent, have to understand that accept the pressure that you've been put under. Because Dr. King said that your character is shaped and created during times of controversy and conflict, not during times of comfort and convenience.